A very good morning. I am Dr. Chitung Mary Thomas, Head of Placement and Recruitment Cell, Dana Manjuri University. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ program ꯑꯁꯤ Industry Academia Meet Pre-Placement Talk haina ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯡꯊꯣꯟꯖꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ program si ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ. ꯁꯤꯒꯤ program si DM University, Manipur Technical University, amasung Ignite International, AP Promise International haiba company siga punna kuchamnaraga pangthokminaba adugumba thauramni. Masigi maru oiba objective adudi karinu haraga aikoigi hojik graduate tawraiba chhatra chhatri singse masibu mafam chana makoigi placement pibiba makoisi thabak phanghanba employment phanghanba haibagi pandam asida masigi program si pangthok chabani. Masi it's a regular feature masi university gi aduga colleges singda maru oina pangthokpa activity amakakni maramdi tamliba chhatra chhatri singse masibu aikoina takpi tambiba amasung makoibu graduate ohenba khak natana makoibu mafam chana placement piba employment piba habasegi pandamda aisigi pangthok chabani. Tongan ba corporate sing lai sigi adum once a year, twice a year, the continuous process of the university ni. Aduna masigi handaki kanose aikoigi corporate che telecommunicators international haiba corporate chiga aiko khutchamnaraga mohoina laaga aiko angang sing pre-placement talk ama pibane. Thabak phange haiba taragadi aikoigi certificate khak natana adubu kari skill darkar lay karam haina personality groom tawgani market na pami base karino haibana chingba mayam ase masibu makoibu takpiraga makoibu masigi information mayam ama piraga kadai da kari thabak hojik kauri bage karina hojik maru oina mi mayam na market na pamnariba corporate singna karamba misak sing pami karamba skill laiba karamba mahai haiba pami karamba oi mioi ba oi basing se pamba no ha basing na ching basing se makoina experience base tawraga laaga aikoi angang singda madumaina takpina na ba tandina na ba lakani ngasi gi thauram sidi it is just a pre-placement talk ni. Maru oina aikoi university na sinjaba amakhak lay pandam amakhak lay madudi in the month of July or last week of July natraga first week of August sida achauba job fair ama pangthok jage na aikoi si thauram si silibani maram aduna tongan ba corporation laaga moina hana pre-placement madugi pre-placement talk mayam ama piraga it is going to culminate into the job fair duda aikoi kanu lakat kunna lakmina gadawribani ngasi lakpasidi corporate ama khaktani adubo sumain tawraga tongan ba corporation laaga August tadi aikoi mayam ama kauraga adudadi tongan ba companies mayam ama laaga aikoi gi job fair du pangthoaga angang singda thabak pina nabagi pandamda aikoi sinjabari.